You see the snow?
Yes.
So much snow. Hey, what do you do with that? Oh no, you're not gonna throw that at me. Hey! This isn't Minnesota. Why does it snow so much over here? Novi! You crazy! Hey! Too much snow, it's getting in your face? Come on, turn around. I'm right behind you, silly. Why? There's too much snow? Here. You need snow glasses? Open your eyes, silly. Look. Look at me. Hey! Hey, it's snowing out! Why did it snow so much? Because when Santa Claus came, he brought the snow with him from Minnesota.
Daddy, wake up.
No, I'm just looking at you, is all. Hey, what do you hit me with the snow for? I don't want to get hit with the snow. Get here. Hey, got down. No, hey, don't me. Help, help. Ooh, 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 ooh. Why, you know. Your hands are going to turn to freezers. Hey, want to take a walk down there? Down there.
Down there?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Hey! Where are you going? Don't you throw snow at me. I'm going back up the stairs. Too much snow over here.